Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to create Amazon free account. Okay, so once you go to this URL aws.amazon.com/console, you will end up on this page. You need to click on this button, create a free account, or you can click on this button, create an AWS account. Once you click on this button, create a free account, it will end up on this page. Okay, so you need to put your email address, your password, confirm password, and AWS account. So once you click on continue, it will end up on the second page. I have the screenshot of all the pages, okay, that I'll show you. AWS account includes 12 months of free tier access. Okay, so if you are a new user, so you will get 12 months of free tier access. Okay, so which include all this AWS EC2, Amazon S3, and Amazon DynamoDB. We'll go on this URL. Okay, but before that I'll show you the screenshot of all the pages. So let me go to my presentation. So this was the page. Okay, so once you fill all this, so then the next page will be the contact information. So there are two options, professional and personal. So you need to select personal. Okay, and if you want to use professional, you can, but I have used personal. So you need to put your full name, your phone number, your country which you belong to, and your address, city, state, postal code, and you need to check this. Okay, and then the next page will be payment information page. So here you need to put your credit card or debit card number, your expiration date, your name on the card, and the billing or address. Okay, and then once you click on secure submit, it will come to this page where you need to verify your phone number. So you need to select the country which you belong and the number, then a security check, and then call me now. Once you click on call me now, you will get a missed call. Okay, and then after that, once it is done, you will end up on this page where you need to select a plan. So for a new user, you need to select free plan. Okay, so then it is done. And one more thing I wanted to show you, once you put your debit card or credit card, you will be charged $1. Okay, so when a new payment card is added to an AWS account, a small charge is sent to verify that the card is valid and that the card hasn't been reported lost or stolen. For AWS customers, the temporary authorization charge is $1. AWS doesn't proceed with the charge, and the charge should be disappear within 3 to 5 business days. So AWS charge $1 for time on temporary basis to check the card is valid or not, and that is revert back in your card itself. So you don't need to worry about that. Okay, if you are charged $1 by AWS. Okay, and let me show you the free tier, the facility which AWS provide. Okay, so once you come down here, all these things you will get free for 1 year. Okay, AWS EC2 750 hours per month. This is very important. We will create an instance on AWS EC2. Once we create an EC2 instance for Mautic, so you will be charged $0. Okay, and there are other things also like AWS S3, AWS, Amazon RDS, but we don't require all this stuff. But you can go through all this. Okay, so you can use for some other stuff. Okay, but we will be using AWS EC2 mostly. Okay, and then we will be using SNS also. But this is it. I have already created a free account, so that is the reason why I had all this screenshot to show you. So I will not create it again. Okay, so you just need to go through all this process and create an account. So that's it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.